and welcome back to my YouTube channel Admirable Nandini Art and Craft. Today I am back with one more video. So I'm going to show you how to make easy and simple and designer Rakhi in two and different ways. So let's start with the process, but before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please hit a bell icon please in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's get started with the process. So for making the first type of Rakhi, take here the earbuds that you use at your home for your home purpose, and now just take one and cut out the tips. See, I have cut it this. Now just do with all of the birds. After cutting these all tips of the earbuds, take here the mount board or cardboard of your old notebook and recycle it to in the making the Rakhi. Now after that, take here the pencil and compass, and take the ruler and just measure 2 centimeter radius on the compass and just draw here the circle. See, now just cut it out. See, I have cutted the circle of the radius 2 centimeter. After that, take here the hot glue gun and just add glue at the bottom of the circle. Now one by one stick all the birds. See, I have sticked all the tips of the earbuds on the lining of the circle. After that, take here the piece of glitter foam sheet in the pink color and just take the pencil and draw here the shape of a heart. Now just using scissor, cut it out as I am showing. See, I have cut it the shape of heart again using hot glue gun. Glue it in the center. Like this. Carefully do. After that, take here the piece of a ribbon of any color and in the thin size. After that, take here the 2 buttons which comes on the thin plastic sheet packet and just you can cut out it from them. See, like this they are looking. Now using hot glue gun, glue it here. And just now glue at the end the second button. See, See, I have sticked both the buttons on the end and the front. Now just turn it like this and take this and just glue it to the back and stick it on the ribbon. Now take here any piece of the cardboard and just glue it back of the Rakhi. See, this beautiful Rakhi turned out an amazing Rakhi. I hope you like this, and it is very simple to create. See, you can close it this Rakhi like this when you will wear this. So in now second Rakhi I will show you how to create. It's very easy and beautiful, but it is designer Rakhi. So let's get started with this type of procedure. For making the second Rakhi, take here some white pearls, small and big size, one bottle cap, and this is steel wire. Now just keep these pearls aside and take this cap and just wrap this steel wire around the bottle to give it a shape. Now just using your fingers, shape it in the circle. In the circle. Now just take pearls and just small one pearl, one by one you insert through the hole of the pearl in this wire. See, I have inserted all the pearls. Now take again here glue gun and just glue it so that it would stick it. And now this is ready. After that, take here a blue color yarn and just divide it into two parts according to the size of Rakhi you wish to wear. Now just see, I have divided into two parts. Now take one part and just tie now just cut out this extra part using scissor. From the opposite side, do the tying of Rakhi like this. Same here, cut this extra part. Now using scissor, equal the threads. Like this. After dividing these threads, now take a medium size ball and just insert it through its hole. I have inserted two pearls each side. Now just take here the artificial rose and just stick it using hot glue gun. Please, after sticking rose, and just now take here the piece of glitter foam sheet in silver color and make here leaf type, small shape of leaf. Now cut it. See, I have cut it the shape. Now just using hot glue and again glue it at the back of the leaf. See, this is easy and designer Rakhi, and this is very beautiful, and you can create it at your home in easy way. Now I hope you all like the Rakhi, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and do give your feedbacks in the comment section below that how did you like the Rakhi, and do try this Rakhi at your home. Instead of buying these Rakhi from the market, you can create and use your own creativity to make it at your home. Thank you. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.